Hello everyone! I'm Cameron.
I'm Harumi.
And we're from
Mirai
Kids! Where are we going today?
We are in the forest.
We're in the forest? Oh, the rainforest. Oh, I think I see some rainforest animals.
Yeah.
Yes.
You over there? There? Yes.
I think
Can you find something?
Maybe we should put on our safari hats.
So are you ready to go to the not safari?
We're not gonna go on a safari today, but we might go to the zoo.
So do you have your hat ready?
Yeah, we've got our safari hats for the zoo. And I've
your
got
glasses.
my glasses so I can see all the zoo animals.
Yeah.
And
what do you have there?
I've got my my bag, my fish bag, my taiyaki bag.
And I have my penguin water bottle.
Oh!
Yes, don't forget water bottle.
Yeah, water, very important. Drink.
Okay.
It's fall, but it's still really hot.
Yeah. And what do you have?
Ooh, is it your penguin water bottle?
No, I'm a stuffed animal.
Ah, it's a regular penguin.
Yeah, it's a big fat penguin. Funny penguin.
Very
Hello.
cute.
Yeah. Okay. So we are going to zoo and we're gonna sing one special song.
Yes.
With everyone.
Special animal song.
Yes.
But first, we have to teach you the animal names.
Yes. Are you ready for that?
Yeah. Let's learn the animal names.
Let's start.
Hello again. Oh, so here we've got the alligator. Alligator. Eat.
Okay, eat. And
Rabbit.
here we go.
Hop.
And
Penguin.
penguin.
Walk.
Lion.
We've got the lion. Run. And the elephant goes stomp.
Yeah, stomp, big stomp. And
The monkey goes scratch.
what does a monkey sound?
Monkey sounds like scratch.
Scratch. Okay,
And the kangaroo jump.
yes. And
What's the last one?
Roar.
Oh, tiger! Run! Okay, so I think you remember all the animals.
Yeah.
Let's go one more time, okay?
Okay.
So we've got alligator,
Alligator.
eat. Rabbit, hop. Penguin, walk. Lion, run. Elephant, stomp. Monkey, scratch. Kangaroo, jump. And tiger, run. Okay, so I think you're ready to sing a song with us.
Yes. So,
Okay.
yeah, we need to do one more crazy for copy camera and me.
Yes,
Okay.
so we're gonna say, let's go to the zoo, me and you, to the zoo. Let's go to the zoo, let's go to the zoo. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Then let's sing.
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Here we go.
Let's go to the zoo,
Me and you,
to the zoo. Let's go to the zoo,
let's go to the zoo.
Alligator, eat.
Rabbit,
Hop. Penguin,
walk. Lion, run.
Let's go to the zoo.
Me and you,
To the zoo. Let's go to the zoo.
let's go to the zoo.
Elephant,
Stomp. Monkey,
scratch.
Kangaroo, kangaroo, jump, jump, jump. Tiger, tiger, run. Let's go to the zoo, zoo, zoo. Me and you to the zoo. Let's go to the zoo, zoo, zoo. Let's go to the zoo. Nice. Bye bye.
High five everyone.
Yes, bye bye. Yay. So, did you enjoy our zoo song?
Yes.
I had a lot of
It was
fun.
exciting.
Yes, very
I couldn't
exciting.
breathe.
Too exciting.
Yeah, you too?
Yeah?
Yes. So we're gonna sing together at the Tennoji Zoo.
Yes, so practice, practice, practice.
Yes. Okay, so
Yeah, when are we going to the zoo?
November.
November.
Yes. Hopefully it's gonna be nice weather like today.
Yes.
Yeah. And bit cooler. It's still hot. It's too hot. Okay, so I'll see you guys there soon.
Yes, see you at the zoo soon.
Yeah. Alright, bye bye, Cameron.
Oh, see you, Harumi.
Bye bye.
See you, everyone.
Let's go to the zoo, zoo, zoo. Let's go to